In this video, we're just going to go over a couple of the Storz coupling repair kits or replacement kits that are available should you need those. The ones we're going to talk about today are the 4-inch Storz coupling kit as well as the 5-inch Storz coupling kit. Now these kits may be used if for some reason you damage one of your existing couplings and need to replace it, or maybe you're converting hose sizes or hose types going from a threaded to a Storz or going from a 4-inch Storz to a 5-inch Storz or vice versa. These kits are available for doing that. We'll start first with the A4115- kit. This is the 5-inch Storz coupling kit. Comes with everything you need to take off the existing coupling and install in its place the new coupling with the locking lever already installed and gasket on the front, pressure gasket. Includes the complete Storz, the bearing retainer strip, as well as the loaded cup seal to make the internal seal. There is a lockout screw that you can use in the coupling to determine if it's a swivel screw or swivel coupling or a rigid coupling. And then additionally, there's also the strip bearing puller tool that's used to remove the existing coupling to facilitate the installation of the new coupling. On the 4-inch Storz kit, the A4114- kit for the 4-inch Storz coupling kit. This will include again the tool for removal, a bearing strip, and a loaded cup seal. This one doesn't have the screw necessarily loose in the kit. There is a 7/16 stainless steel ball bearing, because in this case that's what's used to lock the reducing mate into place. The screw itself will already be installed. You can determine rigid or swivel when you install the coupling by adjusting that screw. Now, you'll notice here on the 4-inch Storz coupling compared to the 5-inch Storz, the 4-inch Storz coupling uses a reducing mate to reduce down the bearing strip size to facilitate the installation of the 4-inch Storz. This is used in cases, you see the 4 and 5-inch Storz, 4-inch Storz, both of these valves use the same size elbow. So we need that reducing mate installed to get down to the 4-inch Storz. Now, if you have a very early valve, roughly 2004 or prior, that has a 4-inch Storz, your 4-inch Storz may be installed directly onto the elbow without the reducing mate. So in those cases, if you're upsizing to a different coupling, you'll need to replace the elbow as well. If you have cases where you have a larger coupling, say on the LDH elbows, or the jumbo intake elbows, you'll notice potentially that the diameter of the casting where the coupling attaches is larger than the elbow here. Again, in those cases, if you're going to a 4-inch or 5-inch Storz, you'll also need to replace the elbow. There's a lot of ifs or maybes as opposed to the coupling kits or configurations that you may need as you're making those replacements. So if you have questions beyond this video, you can reach out to us at tft.com for additional support.